In this video, I'll detail how to allow microphone access on TikTok. So if you're trying to use TikTok and you open the TikTok app like this, and then trying to publish a video on TikTok, all you see is you must allow the microphone access. So this video is going to walk you through how to fix this. So if you download this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to allow microphone access on TikTok on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on TikTok if you're using iOS 17.5, and if you're using iOS 18, just make sure you scroll down and click on apps. Then you should see all your application on this page, then scroll down until you get to TikTok and click on it. Then once you click on TikTok, then locate microphone under allow TikTok to access and turn on microphone. Once that is enabled, this is going to enable TikTok microphone on your account. So that is how you can only allow microphone access on TikTok. So if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.